Ang unahing dahilan ay yung Plaza Miranda bombing. Nagkakaroon kami ng mga discussion group to discuss yung dialectical materialism, historical materialism. Si Joma yung sa amin, nagle-lecture. Yung ideological basis ng aming pinaglalaban. Teorya ni Joma, we don't have to wait for these revolutionary leaps in the process of historical development. But we can create the situation ourselves. Maliit pa lang yung movement. So, how can we create that parang revolutionary tide? Yung elections. Mm-hmm. Nationalista versus Liberal Party. This was 1971. Anyway, sabi niya, the Liberal Party and the Nationalista Party are like two sides of the same coin. Mm-hmm. They are both parties of the elite. Mm-hmm. They are both parties of the ruling class, our enemy class. So kung pag-awayin natin to, it will benefit the revolution as a whole. Supposing may mangyaring incident sa yung meeting de avance ng isang partido, mag-aaway yung dalawa. So pag nag-aaway yung dalawang naghaharing uri na partido, it will weaken the ruling class as a whole and hasten their downfall. The Liberal Party will accuse the Nationalista Party naman will adopt repressive measures against the Communist Party because tayong i-blame niyan. And the greater the repression, the greater will be the resistance. Lalong, yun ang magkikreate ng revolutionary leap in the process of historical development. Mm-hmm. Because the greater the repression by the government, dadami ang rebelde. At that time, konti lang kami, mga 9 na squad lang kami. Tapos, ito yung parating yung armas. Na ilang libo yun? Mahigit 2,000, 2,200. Okay?
Yung mga smuggled na armas na...
Yung sa galing sa China. Mm-hmm. Okay? Kasi, naplano na rin yung pagdating ng armas eh. Pero, ang problema, walang hahawak ng armas.
Walang sundalo.
At yun nga ang nangyari. After the Plaza Miranda bombing, anong nangyari? Marcos declared the suspension of the writ of habeas corpus. Ang daming mga pinaguhuli. Ang daming nagtakbuhan underground. Even Edgar Hobson, na moderate, sumama sa Communist Party. Sumama sa movement. Sumama sa armed struggle.
What was your role inside?
Ako yung sasalubong ng mga armas.
Ikaw rin ang gumawa ng
yung karagatan
military training ng mga, ikaw rin ang gumawa.
Yes.
Ng NPA ng mga
yung military training ng NPA kami.
So ako. Ikaw yung nagplano.
Yeah.
So therefore, yung training nila ay galing sa knowledge mo.
Yeah.
That was your role.
Yes.
Hindi ka sang-ayon dun sa Plaza Miranda bombing. Ano pa?
Nangyari?
Mm-hmm.
Nangyari yung Plaza Miranda bombing. Nangyari yung teorya ni Joma. That is the brilliance of Joma.
Yung revolutionary leap na sinasabi.
Yeah. Na-predict niya yung mga mangyayari. Kaya lang, it's a different kind of brilliance. May dahil ginamitan ng acts of terror. Mm-hmm. Like the bombing of the Liberal Party meeting de avance in August 21, 1971.
So tama si Marcos, kayo nga.
Yeah.
Mali yung Liberal Party na si Marcos.
Yes. I was then newly elected or appointed as a member of the Central Committee ng Communist Party of the Philippines. So, nagkaroon kami ng plenum sa Zambales, December 1975. Gusto kong ilabas yung mga criticism ko at that time. And one of them is the Plaza Miranda bombing. Yung isang immediate kung bakit ako umalis sa movement. um,